The summer breeze brings me to my knees, dragging itself through our blinds. The willow trees and their weeping leaves are echoing now to touch the ground. Rows of pink through our window pane are picking up the heat of the day. Our hands are close like a feeling of almost shaping a thought into sound. The air is full of whispers and the sky is full of sun. Ooh. They say it's gonna rain tomorrow. Will we be ready if it comes? Our eyes are open and our words unspoken. They patiently wait to be heard. Shadows outside playing games of disguise. I hear the echo of a soft bluebird. Branches high in the brilliant sky, looking for traces